Hi, I'm Patrick, back with another paper gun. This is my paper shotgun. It's a 12 gauge shotgun. It's a long enough gun. It's got this slide here that it moves like that. It's got the tactical rail. It's got the long barrel on the top, and it's got the little loading barrel there. It has a trigger. Doesn't do anything, but it's just there. And the stock, it's a good length out from the gun, and that's the basic gun. You can make a tripod for it, but it doesn't really work with this gun. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this gun. Yeah, so rate and subscribe, and I will make a tutorial for this one. So rate and subscribe, thank you.